How to transfer Ethereum from MetaMask to KuCoin. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can transfer Ethereum from MetaMask to KuCoin. And here is how to go about it. So the first step is to sign in into your MetaMask account, just like I have done here. Your MetaMask extension. So once you're signed into your MetaMask extension, I are brought to the page. Now on this page, the next step is to go to the send option. The send option is located just underneath your amount here, and then once you can see it, just click on it. Now after clicking on send, you can see a box asking you to enter the public address of the wallet they are trying to send Ethereum to. So once you can do this, since you are dealing with your KuCoin, the next thing is to go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon, and then in the search bar type out KuCoin.com. All right, and then click on enter. And after doing that, you'd wait for it to load, and then you can see the KuCoin home page. Then on this page, the next step is to move to the top right corner, then click on login. After clicking on login, you'll be brought to the login page. On this page, you can see you can see details asking you to enter in your email, your password, and all of that. And then after entering it in, you'll be able to log in. Then once you're logged in into your KuCoin account, go to your access page, and then on the access page, select main account. After selecting main account, you would see your Ethereum. Click on withdraw for Ethereum, and then you would see your wallet address. Just go ahead and copy the wallet address from KuCoin. After copying the wallet address, go back to your MetaBase extension, and then on this page, go ahead, click on the wallet address box, and then paste the wallet address that you've copied. After pasting the wallet address, you will then be taken to another page where you'll be asked to enter in the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. So after entering it in, you'll be asked to review your details, confirm the transaction, and then complete any security verification if needed. And then just like that, your Ethereum will be transferred from your MetaMask to your KuCoin. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.